Want bigger shoulders and traps? Check out these 11 killer exercises that will supercharge your upper body gains. Watch now to sculpt and define your way to a powerful physique. Number 11. Barbell Shoulder Press. The barbell shoulder press is a fundamental compound exercise renowned for its ability to target and strengthen the entire shoulder complex. This classic movement is performed while standing and involves pressing a barbell overhead. It primarily engages the front deltoids, but also recruits the lateral deltoids, trapezius muscles, triceps, and even the core for stability. The barbell shoulder press is highly effective in developing upper body strength, promoting shoulder stability, and enhancing overall shoulder aesthetics. Proper form and controlled movements are essential to avoid injuries and optimize gains. Number 10. Dumbbell Shoulder Press. The dumbbell shoulder press is a versatile and effective exercise for building strong and well-rounded shoulders. Unlike the barbell press, the dumbbell shoulder press allows for a greater range of motion, accommodating individual shoulder joint mechanics and providing a more natural movement pattern. By holding a dumbbell in each hand at shoulder level, you engage the stabilizing muscles more intensely, promoting better shoulder balance and reducing the risk of muscle imbalances. The dumbbell shoulder press targets the front deltoids primarily while also engaging the triceps and lateral deltoids to a lesser extent. It is an excellent exercise for both beginners and advanced lifters and can be easily adjusted by varying the weight and repetition range. Number 9. Arnold Press. Arnold Press is a unique and effective variation of the traditional shoulder press. Named after the legendary bodybuilder Arnold Schwarzenegger, this exercise adds a rotational component to the movement, making it particularly effective in targeting all three heads of the deltoids. To perform the Arnold Press, start with the dumbbells at shoulder level, palms facing your body. As you press the weights overhead, rotate your palms outward until they face away from your body. This rotation engages the front, side, and rear deltoids, providing a well-rounded and complete shoulder workout. Number 8. Lateral Raises. Lateral raises is a simple yet highly effective exercise for targeting the lateral deltoids and achieving broader shoulders. Using dumbbells, stand with your feet shoulder width apart and lift your arms out to the sides until they are parallel to the ground. The lateral raises isolate the lateral deltoid muscles, which are responsible for the rounded appearance of the shoulders. This exercise helps build width and definition, giving your shoulders a more impressive and balanced look. Lateral raises are particularly beneficial for individuals looking to enhance their shoulder aesthetics and overall upper body strength. Number 7. Front Raises. Front raises is a key exercise for targeting the front deltoids and enhancing the front portion of the shoulders. To perform front raises, hold a dumbbell in each hand and stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Keeping your arms straight, raise the dumbbells in front of you until they are parallel to the ground. Front raises isolate the front deltoids, contributing to a well-balanced shoulder development. This exercise is particularly beneficial for individuals aiming to improve their upper body aesthetics and strength. Number 6. Bent over lateral raises. Bent over lateral raises is an effective exercise for targeting the rear deltoids and upper back muscles. To perform this exercise, bend at the hips, keeping your back straight, and let the dumbbells hang down in front of you. From this position, lift your arms out to the sides, squeezing your shoulder blades together at the top of the movement. Bent over lateral raises effectively engage the rear deltoids and the trapezius muscles, helping to improve shoulder strength and stability. This exercise is especially useful for individuals who want to develop a balanced and well-rounded shoulder appearance. Number 5. Shrugs. Shrugs is a simple yet effective exercise for targeting the trapezius muscles, commonly referred to as the traps. To perform shrugs, hold a barbell or dumbbells at your sides and lift your shoulders upward as if you're trying to touch your ears. The primary focus of this exercise is on the upper trapezius, which is responsible for elevating the shoulders and supporting the neck and upper back. Shrugs can help you develop a more defined and muscular upper back, adding to your overall upper body strength and posture. It is essential to use proper form and avoid excessive swinging or momentum during the movement. Number 4. Upright rows. Upright rows is an excellent exercise for targeting the traps, shoulders, and upper back muscles. To perform upright rows, Hold a barbell with an overhand grip and pull it vertically towards your chin, keeping it close to your body. The movement resembles pulling a zipper up, with your elbows lifting upwards and out to the sides. Upright rows primarily engage the traps and lateral deltoids, helping to develop upper body strength and improve shoulder stability. However, it's essential to perform this exercise with caution, as it can put strain on the shoulder joints if not executed properly. Number 3. Face pulls. Face pulls is a highly effective exercise for targeting the rear deltoids, upper back, and rotator cuff muscles. To perform face pulls, attach a rope or handle to a cable machine at shoulder height. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart and pull the rope towards your face, retracting your shoulder blades and squeezing your rear delts at the end of the movement. Face pulls are an excellent exercise for improving shoulder stability and posture, making them particularly beneficial for individuals who spend extended periods sitting or working at a desk. This exercise can help create a balanced and well-rounded shoulder development, reducing the risk of shoulder injuries and enhancing overall upper body strength. Maintain proper form and control throughout the movement to maximize its benefits and minimize the risk of injury. Number 2. Push press. Push press is a dynamic and explosive exercise that targets the shoulders, triceps, and upper body muscles. To perform the push press, start by holding a barbell at shoulder level with an overhand grip. Bend your knees slightly and then explosively drive the barbell overhead by using your legs to help propel the weight upward. The push press allows you to lift heavier weights than traditional shoulder presses, making it an effective compound movement for building upper body strength and power. It also enhances shoulder stability and coordination, making it beneficial for various athletic activities. Number 1. Handstand push-ups. Handstand push-ups is an advanced bodyweight exercise that provides an intense workout for the shoulders and traps. To perform handstand push-ups, start in a handstand position against a wall, with your palms pressing into the ground and your body forming an upside-down V shape. Lower yourself towards the ground by bending your elbows and then push back up to the starting position. Handstand push-ups require significant shoulder and core strength, as well as balance and stability. They engage the entire shoulder complex, especially the front and lateral deltoids, and also activate the traps and upper back muscles. This exercise is not recommended for beginners, as it places a considerable demand on the shoulders and requires mastery of the handstand position. Until next time, keep pushing yourself, stay motivated, and let's build those shoulders and traps to new heights together. Stay strong and see you in the next video.